Order. The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
Monsieur le Président, il y a 65 ans, 14 000 Canadiens ont traversé la Manche et ont fait face aux tirs ennemis lors de l'attaque de Juno Beach. Plusieurs n'ont pas eu la chance d'atteindre la terre ferme. En ce jour, à la Chambre des communes, nous célébrons la victoire remportée lors de l'invasion de la Normandie par les Alliés. In June 1944, Juno Beach was one of the most heavily defended stretches of shoreline on the coast of Hitler's fortress Europe. The 3rd Canadian Infantry Division, reinforced by the 2nd Canadian Armoured Brigade, were given the task of capturing it, and they did so. What happened 65 years ago on Juno Beach and on the American and British beaches that flanked it began the push towards Berlin that ended the most terrible war in human history. Today, we celebrate Canada's role in that victory. We celebrate our troops whose valor earned a place in history. We remember the 359 Canadians who perished among the dunes and the surf, and the men whose bravery tipped the balance of war. As we commemorate D-Day, we pay tribute to a great generation, one that is slowly leaving us with the passage of time. And we make to them a simple promise, that their story will be our own and that their memory will never fade. Le sacrifice de la guerre est une décision nationale. Le souvenir de cette guerre doit l'être tout autant. Aujourd'hui, nous ne célébrons pas seulement les Canadiens qui se sont battus en Normandie, mais aussi la tradition dont ils font partie. De Vimy à Kandahar, en passant par Juno, les hommes et les femmes qui servent dans nos forces armées ont toujours été prêts à sacrifier leur vie pour défendre notre liberté et celle des autres. Nous rendons hommage à ceux qui ont servi en Normandie et sur tous les champs de bataille de notre histoire commune. Today in this House, we feel the weight of a shared responsibility. We recall the parliamentarians who came before us, who provided civilian leadership in times of crisis, and who stood in this place to send Canadian troops into battle. And we recognize that for our soldiers now serving in Afghanistan, that responsibility falls on our shoulders. While there may be differences in this House about the mission, our respect and our support for these soldiers transcends all our divisions, all party lines, and all sides of this House. As we remember the invasion of Normandy, the fight for European liberation, and the still ongoing struggle to protect our common humanity, our respect for the military tradition incarnated by the word Juno transcends all time, transcends all generations. Tonight, today, after 65 years after Juno Beach, we stand together here in this House as one, proudly, in admiration.